Hello everyone and welcome back. In this module, let's discuss the concept of responsible AI and why it's crucial. As we have seen, generative AI is a powerful, emerging technology with the potential to revolutionize various industries from healthcare to finance. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and it's essential to ensure that AI technologies are developed and deployed responsibly. Why do we need responsible AI? AI, especially generative AI, has shown immense power, but it also poses significant risks. Over the years, there have been cases where AI systems made biased or erroneous decisions, like recruitment systems that favored male resumes or image recognition systems that failed to recognize people of color. There are also concerns about AI generating harmful content, such as fake news or deepfakes. Even Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, has acknowledged that AI could go wrong if not properly regulated. This is where responsible AI comes in. It's a framework designed to ensure that AI systems are fair, transparent, and safe. Understanding responsible AI. Responsible AI is about developing and deploying AI systems in a way that aligns with ethical principles, protects human values, and avoids negative outcomes. Let's break down the key principles. Bias and fairness. AI systems can inherit biases from the data they are trained on. For instance, if a recruitment AI is trained predominantly on male resumes, it might favor men over women. Ensuring a balanced and diverse training dataset is crucial to preventing bias. Data privacy. As AI systems require vast amounts of data, it's vital to protect individuals' privacy. For example, using someone's photo or financial data without their consent is a breach of privacy. Responsible AI practices ensure that data privacy regulations are followed. Transparency. AI systems can be complex and opaque, making it difficult to understand how they make decisions. Transparency involves making the decision-making process of AI system understandable and open to scrutiny. Legal compliance. AI systems must comply with legal standards to avoid unintentional violations that could lead to penalties or other consequences. Trust. For AI to be widely adopted, users must trust the technology. If AI systems produce biased or incorrect results, they can lose user trust, hindering their adoption. How to implement responsible AI. Incorporate ethical principles. Ensure fairness, transparency, and privacy are core considerations in AI development. Educate and train your teams on responsible AI practices. Ensure data quality. Use diverse, representative data to train AI models and apply techniques to reduce bias in the data you have. Maintain transparency. Understand and regularly review how your AI algorithms make decisions, refining them as necessary. Obtain consent and ensure compliance. Use data ethically with proper consent and follow all relevant legal guidelines. Monitor and improve. Continuously test your AI system, monitor their outputs, and make improvements to reduce bias and enhance performance. Human oversight. Always include a human in the loop to validate AI decision, providing a fallback mechanism to intervene when necessary. Conclusion. As AI becomes more powerful, the risks associated with it also grow. Responsible AI is about ensuring that AI systems are developed and used ethically, with an emphasis on fairness, transparency, and safety. By following these practices, we can harness the power of AI while minimizing its risks. That wraps up our discussion on responsible AI. Let's move on to the next topic in the following video. See you there. Thank you.